So it seems like it tried to run better. It was still surging earlier, and I didn't have the video on. For some funky reason, though, that thing won't... I had it all the way backed out. Oh, I got a coolant leak. At least there's that. Oh. Yeah, it's not super critical. I'm not really sure how to get the fuel pressure lower if that is all the way backed out. Unless where I'm pulling, if like the vacuum is bumping it up or something. I don't really know how that would work. I couldn't get the fuel pressure down. It was idling a little high, but I think it was idling better than it has before. Need to check the codes too. It's getting warm at least, so then start. Can't really do a whole lot with it if. Oh, whoops. Now. Not connected. Okay, it's slow. It should be connected. Still gotta check engine light. Hiding over in the corner. You get like a head-mounted version of this or something. Come on, stop being not connected. ECU, okay. Coolant, 104 degrees. Alright. I'll take a picture too so you don't have to like surf through this whole video. It looks like it's the same one. I've lost the one. Throttle position switch. Yeah, so I need to check it again, but I just ran it to see if the one thing went away. So, what's weird is that cam position sensor one I think is gone. I thought there were 3, and I don't think this one. So it did move, so I think that sensor's bad. But anyways, I'll take pictures real quick.